everybody. Just a brief, nice moment. Guys, today Solomon is 18. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Solomon. So happy birthday, Solomon. According to our time, Waka. What they always said that it's already, 8. That is why the day was born. So Solomon, thanks for being a good boy and happy birthday.
I wish you have a good birthday. If anyone tries to pick on you because you're shorter than them, kick them, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Great. Shadrach, you got anything to say to you?
Solomon, you've been a very good brother to me. Just to tell you, I appreciate it. Just know we love you and you have love from home. If you have any challenges, we are there for you.
Shalom, what do you say? Shalom.
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 Shalom is hiding because she's crying. She's very emotional.
Oh, really?
Let me check her.
Really?
Shalom, come.
It's not there, so.
She's using the restroom.
Never a minute. I'm not going to die. I'm just going to school.
No, you're 18 now.
Yeah.
He's 18 now.
18 is a
Bannayuganda bannange bassebo ne bannyabuuka mbanjulire ba Alihila Holdings Uganda Limited bano bakafulu mu kuzimba amayumba agali ku mulembe, plumbing, electrical installation and general construction, biodigester septic tank and many more. Todda mu kukaaba nga ba Alihila Holdings Uganda Limited webali okukuyamba. Gwabetaaze n'ayagala okumanya ebisinga kaawo kuba ku namba z'essimu eziri awo. Onaabafere oyagala kuteera mazzi mu nnyumba yo oba masannyalaze, kuba ku namba z'essimu eziri awo oba otusange ku ofiisi zaffe ezisangibwa ku Grand Imperial Hotel. Jjukira ye ffe ba Alihila Holdings Uganda Limited. Have it all.